Thank you, Dr. Lasser, for that kind introduction. You notice that when he left the stage, he had to move the microphone down. I don't know why everyone feels like they have to move the microphone down. Thank you so much, Dr. Lasser, for everything that you said about me. Sometimes it's hard to realize that I'm that person that's being introduced. I also want to thank Malcolm, the governor's office, and the Texas Workforce Commission for hosting such an important event. It's great to see the people from the North Texas SBDC. I have to share with you that I certainly accessed my SBDC a lot when I was growing a business. So thank you for everything that you all do. And Katrina helped us so much with us coming over here, so I want to make sure that I thank her. And it was great to meet Dr. MacArthur this morning. And thank you for all that you do to prepare our future workforce. As you heard, I have been a former small business owner, so I'm very excited to be a part of this small business forum. An event that I believe that truly understands the importance of providing entrepreneurs with the tools that they need to successfully start, expand, and enhance their businesses. And I want to give a special thank you to Governor Perry for the video welcome and encouragement this morning, and for doing so much to support and promote small businesses and entrepreneurship in Texas. I celebrate the fact that business owners in this region have access to the resources and support that they need within their community. When you're participating in today's workshops, whether it's learning about marketing strategies or how to use social media, I am confident that you will find ideas and strategies that hopefully will help you grow your business. You know, while every state in the nation is facing challenges, Texas has been and continues to be the leader in these challenging national economic times. And every day, I'm reminded how blessed we all are to be in Texas. You see, I've always believed that whatever goal or dream you can imagine, you can achieve it in Texas, as long as you're willing to work hard to make it happen. And before my appointment as the 107th Secretary of State, I was right there where you are today. Through countless long days, and while literally working my fingers to the bone, I pushed ahead to pursue my goals and dreams as a Texas entrepreneur. Along the way, I built several Texas-based businesses. And because I have been there too, I can stand here before you, just as Governor Perry said, and tell you that like each and every one of you, I understand the real life meaning of sweat equity. Experience has taught me that achieving success in life is all about willing to take risks.